Hey guys, we are at Winn-Dixie and they are getting prepared for the hurricane that's coming this way. I just want to show you what they're doing. Michael, hold this.
Buggy?
Yeah, well, I'll show the outside. Let me show y'all what they're doing. We're expecting Hurricane Sally to come. Today is the 14th, which is actually my daughter's birthday, Hannah. But see, let me show you. They're putting up the hurricane stuff over where we're at Winn-Dixie. But they're putting up all the stuff to prep for the hurricane. Let's see what all stuff they have got and ran out of. We're actually here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I have my mask on. Hey, Michael. Excuse me.
Is that the one you had to bend already?
We're actually here to get Hannah's birthday cake. But I'm wondering if, like, the bread and stuff is gone. Like, oh, yeah. Mississippi. They like donuts. All the donuts are gone. What is that, bread? Ooh, they do have bread. They have eggs. So maybe they have everything. They might. But let's get Hannah's cake. Let's just look down here. Oh, I gotta get some cheese. So we are, well, a lot of bread's gone. Lots of bread's gone. They're stocking to get stuff. Oh, I can get it now. Oh, they do have a good deal on cheese. 2 for $5. We'll get let's get Gare and Swiss country blend is so good. Parmesan, mozzarella, taco. Quesadilla blend. 4 cheese Mexican style. I like to get the fine. Here we go, look at this. 6 cheese Italian blend, the last one. We will take it. And then let's get a country blend. That looks good. Okay. So we got our cheese because we are going to make, for Hannah's birthday, we are making spaghetti and salad. Oh, yes, I just left that, Michael. But the shelves don't look too empty. This is awesome. They got workers stocking.